Hey guys, let's see how to unlink your laptop from a Microsoft account. Let's say you're selling your laptop or you are returning. You just need to come here to account.microsoft.com, right? And here you see your account and you just come here to devices. At first I see 2 devices here. There's an extra one. You see view all devices. So what I have to do is just click here, or I can click here on the left side on devices. Wait for it to load, then I check my device. I have the first one, a second one here. Is not the one that I'm looking for. So I see the third one just right here, a Dell Latitude 7490, okay? So I open this up, and from here I see my laptop. Then I click see details, and from here I see how to delete this device, just here on the top, right? Remove device. So basically I'm unlinking from my account. So I just click here. Then I'm going to confirm that I'm removing this Dell Latitude from my account. I'm ready to remove this device, and I just click remove. Now it's removing the device. Now you can sell it and you're good to go, okay? So super simple. That's the way you can remove your laptop from a Microsoft account. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.